Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you our amazing revision guides today. Specifically, we're going to be looking at one of our most popular AQA units. This one is called Britain, Health and the People. These revision guides are super useful for your students because they provide clear and concise answers to all of their questions. We're going to be looking at page 38, which is all about the printing press. As you can see, the format is completely different to your regular textbook. It's all condensed and put into key content that your students will need to know. Here we've got what it was, when it happened, who invented it, and what was the significance of this. You may have noticed that there's also words that are highlighted in color. These are keywords which will help to further the understanding of your students and can be found in the glossary at the back of the book. Some of the words also throughout the book have page numbers next to them. If a word has a page number next to them, it means that you can flip to that page and the topic will be found on that page. These revision guides are super useful for your students because it means that they can make their own revision material out of these guides like flashcards or mind maps, and if they don't maybe know how they want to revise, at the beginning of the book there's a place called the revision suggestions, and that'll help your students get some guidance on what they might want to do. If not, your students can also go and create an account on the app at www.gcchistory.com and go to the quizzing section of the app so they can track their progress on the subjects that they're learning. But I'm sure whether they use the book or the app, they're going to do great on their exams.